This is a demo of Plately, our family kitchen. Essentially, the problem that we were solving for was a lot of families spend a lot of time on thinking of what they're going to have, on creating a shopping list, and then actually doing the shopping. And we wanted to cut down on those hours every single week. And so it just made it a nice and easy process, solving that for the time that they're spending, to giving them variety on what they were eating. Okay, and what they're having, and so they don't have to think about it every single day of or every single week of what they're going to eat. So this goes ahead, and I'll show you kind of how it works on each of these pages. This has an entire meal plan of everything that you're going to have for the next week, next 2 weeks, kind of however you set it, and then you can go ahead and say, hey, how do I go ahead and I make this? I just click on it and that shows exactly, hey, here are the instructions. Here's how much time it takes. I can change the servings to have it for more people. It tells me how much exactly the dollar amount is, all that stuff. Okay. Then I can go back to the shopping plan. I can have a weekly view as well of exactly what's going on. If I want to change something, I can. And I can say, actually, I want to do Brazilian. That takes me 30 minutes or less, and I can regenerate it, and then it goes ahead and automatically makes a Brazilian breakfast for me. Okay. You also have the ability to say, hey, I want a new plan. Go ahead and regenerate everything, and they'll just make an entire new plan for you, and then you can kind of have a new view of what you want to have. Then you have your budget up here of tracking exactly how much it's going to be, and you have the option of saying, I want to be a strict budget, or you don't have to follow the budget. I can go over the budget. Okay. Next, you have the shopping list. And this is kind of the really nice part of once you have the meals made for you, then it automatically uses AI. And you can say, hey, let's go ahead and do the shopping from the 4th to the 11th. And then I go ahead and I say, hey, I want to do shopping on the 4th and on the 8th. And I want to do Walmart and Costco and whatever. I can choose the stores, right? And then I go ahead and I just say, yep, make a new list for me, and that automatically makes the shopping list for me of exactly everything that I need, exactly everything that is on the list, and in addition, my recurring things as well, which I'll show you here in a second, the pantry and the restock. And then it has this nice auto shopper feature where you just click on it and it automatically does all the shopping for you. It puts it into the cart on Walmart.com, and then you just one click shop, and then it just ships it right over to your house. Costco recently added that, and so we're adding an auto shopper onto Costco, and more stores are adding that as well. And so we can just automatically shop versus shopping yourself. Okay. Next, we have the pantry and the restock. You got one time, recurring, and always haves. You can change this. You can add things, which is nice. You have all the recipes as well, which we have over 2,200 recipes. You can say, hey, here are my favorites. I love this one and I love this one. And then these are my favorites, right? You can say, I love breakfast. What are your French breakfast options? There are 32 of them. Okay. And then you can break it down by cost, all that stuff. And then lastly, you have your preferences, which you can adjust specifically for your family and say, yeah, we want leftovers for breakfast on Sunday, or we want to just skip it. And you can adjust the entire, hey, every breakfast we want to just skip, or we want to have a new meal or whatever. And then you can say, here are my cuisines that I want, here are my dietary restrictions, here are my goals and my preferences on exactly what I want to have. Um, and then as well, you have supplies, and this breaks down exactly where everything is being shopped from. This uses AI to automatically pick which are the best stores to use. And then here's where you connect your auto shopper to your computer, and then that's what connects it to your account, and that automatically shops for you. So this is a quick overview demo of our Plately software.